How to use Quicksnap on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Quicksnap on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the DM icon shown in the bottom center of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the DM section, just look for the small hidden quick snap icon, and there you can just drag it to the right to open the quick snap window. Now here, select who would receive your snaps, like close friends or the followers you follow back. And here, once you're done with it, you can just tap on the camera shutter icon to take a snap, and here once you do that, it will be shared on the Instagram as your quick snap. And that's it. That's how you can share quick snap on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.